The Bose fiber optic sound system in the early 2000 Mercedes Benz CLK W208 was an excellent audio system with a great sound quality. It was considered to be one of the best sound systems in its class at the time, and it is still appreciated by many enthusiasts today. It is outdated without a Bluetooth connection for today's smartphone. The Gizmo Guy Gadget provides a simple add-on Bluetooth connection to your original Mercedes sound system, and it allows you to keep your classic Mercedes-Benz 100% original for the best future resale value.
Okay, we've got a W202 2000 Mercedes Benz C-Class. It's got the original Mercedes Benz radio in it, which doesn't work off those cheap eBay Bluetooth connectors. I went and saw the Gizmo Guy's a Bluetooth connector, which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it. Do you want to turn on the Bluetooth?
Well, it's on at the moment.
That obviously is the fact that Churchill didn't go to Dundee very much. He would go once or twice.
So that's playing there now. The sound is quite good.
But generally speaking,
we really like it. It's very good. We're very happy with it. Thank you.
First generation of car audio system to use fiber optic cable instead of the old copper wiring. The system is also known as a Mercedes D2B or command system. The advantage of the fiber optic is that it provides better sound quality and it supports multimedia function over the old copper system. However, the new fiber optic system or the D2B system was more difficult to install and it requires special tool and training. The Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter is the best choice to add Bluetooth audio to the Mercedes-Benz original audio. It is the easiest and quickest way to update your Mercedes audio system, but it also allows you to retain the best resale value of your classic Mercedes-Benz. You get to keep all your functions, all your controls, and everything exactly like the way that it was designed and it was made.
This is a short video of Gizmo Guy's Gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle and it starts playing instantly. If I can get it. Go, come on.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I just would like to do a quick review for the Gizmo Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. It's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth. So here's my phone. I will hit play here.
Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget is a simple gadget that allows you to add streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigation from your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. You do not need to replace the head unit. You do not need to take it out or take it apart by adding anything to it. All you got to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy Gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go. And you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy Gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. Thank you for watching my video. For more information about the product, please go to my website at gizmoguygadgets.com. gizmoguygadgets.com. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.